Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Adventures with Rob. We're going to clean up the inside of the Galaxy this time, go through it, and I'll show you what we got going on. The interior is not the greatest on this. Got some big holes in it. I did pop the back seat loose. We're going to get that all cleaned out of there. Then we'll vacuum the floor up. Then we'll go through the front and get it all cleaned out. It's just got random parts, papers from old car shows it's been in, glass cleaner, just stuff. I'll check back in. I'm going to pull all the garbage out and then I'll check back in. Alright, we got all the garbage grabbed out of it. We're going to go ahead and vacuum it all up now. Took my blanket seat cover off. I got original floor mats for it. They're all sunburnt and faded. I'm going to try to clean them up a little bit. This carpet is just nasty. It's been wet and torn and it's just old and gross. We're going to vacuum it up and see what we can get out of it though. Wish me luck! You gotta do a little bit better job, but we got it vacuumed out. This carpet is just junk. Probably gonna be tearing it out, and found a flashlight under there. That's been there since I owned it. That side's wet. It's just rotten and nasty. We're gonna figure out something new with it. But there it is, all vacuumed out. Show you real quick the doors before. Looks like we got a little bit of mold up there. Just dirty and grimy. Door jambs, all that stuff before. They're all about like this. Inside here, these are really brittle. The one over on the captain's side is falling apart. But all the doors are about the same. We're gonna get them cleaned up, clean the steering wheel, the dash, the door entryway thingies, door guards, seat, headliner. Dome light works. Worth its weight in gold. There it is afterwards, not too bad. All that muck and mold looking stuff come off. Steering wheel cleaned up okay. That turned out really good. Don't pay attention to that there. Ignore that. Just pretend that isn't there. And then, but that is good. Not so much that or that. That's daylight. But you know, ankle vents. Dash is wiped down. Still got to do the other doors. This thing has claims to be 76,626 miles. Hey, look. There's a hummingbird. That was cool. Some of the things you see in the country. Alright, I'm going to get back to cleaning. All this here is where all that black muck is. I take this carpet and mat cleaner, spray it on. It comes with this brush attached to the front of it. I just always rip it right off. Use a lot of it. Put it on thick. It's not perfect, but it's much better than what it was. And then I use this for everything else. Fresh, clean, works pretty good. See, it's that easy, guys. It's not too bad to do. Just pick a cleaner. They all pretty much work the same. If you find one you like better than the others, just stick with it. I just use that carpet and upholstery cleaner with the brush to get the heavy soiled stains out, and regular old cleaner to get the rest of it off. Works pretty good. Just use some elbow grease and you'll be fine. I'm gonna work on this motor today. Pretty greasy and grimy and nasty. Just a lot of years of muck on there. I'm going to go ahead and set you here. I'm going to cover up the carburetor because we don't want water down there. I think that should be okay. We're not going to do anything crazy. I'm going to use this here. We're going to spray all this stuff down. Just get it cleaned up a little bit before we work on it and do our stuff. No point in getting all nasty if we don't have to. That transmission's coming out, so soak that down good. We don't want to get all nasty. Now we'll just let that bake for a minute, and I'll go get the water turned on and we'll spray it down. A little more on there. And I got some, should be getting hot soon, soapy water. This is the final product. I ran out of storage space again, so I had to go finish it off without it being on video, but everything looks a whole lot better. That power steering pump cleaned up good, the bracket cleaned up, the timing cover down there, all cleaned up really good. I'm happy with it. Transmission left something to be desired. Hey guys, thanks for tuning in and watching me clean the inside of the Galaxie and the engine bay. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Door panels cleaned up really good. I was really shocked. The engine bay did too. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Leave me some comments. Let me know what you want to see. Let me know what you think I did wrong. Let me know what you would have done. Like, share, subscribe, tell some friends. Everybody knows somebody that would think this car is cool. I want to hear what you guys think. Let me know. Thanks.